The greatest asset that you possess is your human mind. It's one of the most important things ever. You have to stand guard at the door of your mind. Your mind is like a mental factory. Whatever you put in it, whatever you consume, whatever you choose to let it absorb, it's going to process it, and it's going to show the effects or the results through your actions, through your decisions, through the way you talk or your beliefs. It's very important that you know what to consume, you know what to put into your mind, because you are going to have to live up to the effects of it in the future. If you dump all this trash, all of the things that people say that aren't helpful to you, all these hedonistic things into your mind, that you expect to live a rich, fulfilling, dynamic life, a holistic one, there's no way. You're going to be pessimistic all day if you consume trash, if you consume things that are not good for your mind, negative things, toxic things. You are your own human system. You're not other people, and other people are not you, definitely. You are your own mind. You control what goes into this place. Next time you see someone who is telling you certain things that are hedonistic, that are not good, that you know are going to negatively impact you, you know this in your mind. You know well enough what benefits you, what serves you, and what doesn't. Physically distance yourself from it, from everybody. Go into a room. Best is a tranquil place, somewhere where it's quiet, no distractions. It's going to trigger you to exert some mental effort, but it is what it is. Some people will say it's hard. Yes, it's hard, because it's never simple. But you can do it, it's possible. Don't be a slave to the thoughts, because most of the thoughts that we humans have right now are from external sources, from people, from the things we see or experience. But we never learn to have our own thoughts. The mind is so powerful, it can create its own thoughts. It can create what we envision and what we visualize, our own, not other people out there. The easiest thing you do is, okay, don't jump to conclusions yet. Don't just let that sink in here. Ask yourself, if you don't know, then grab a piece of paper and just write down your beliefs and values and what you actually want the most. Start to assess that piece of information or that thing that you just heard or the thing that you see. Practice this exercise over and over again. It doesn't have to be every single thought, but at least for a majority of the thoughts that you're unsure of whether or not to absorb, because sometimes we have to learn to be alone for certain times, to really explore ourselves, to really understand ourselves, to know what benefits us and what doesn't. And never ever let anybody dictate your thoughts. Please never let anybody just dump things into your mind that are bullshit, that are nonsense, that are not going to help you. And what happens is you turn out to live up to that, because whatever you consume, whatever you put into your mind, it's going to subconsciously veer you towards a certain trajectory. That is a fact. And you have to control what goes in here, what goes into your mental system. This is very important.